Starlings, and today we are going to be doing toy unboxing, but just to remind you, we are still sending this Harry Potter plushie out. So let's put that to the side and open our first thing, and it is a Mikey figurine. It's number 18. You can get all these other figurines too. How about you talk to my brother cameraman while I'm getting this up? Oh, but I guess he doesn't want to talk because his day was going a bit bad. Oh, looks like that came out quick. There's Mikey. So let's just put him back in his plastic. No, let's just keep him out. Put this all to the side and we can throw it away later. Okay, let's open this poor paint. Now it's time to open this poor paint. That's it. So let's get it open. Ooh. Got it open. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So it looks like it came with, there's more stuff. Looks like it came with a skewer. All this stuff that you can use to make it. And this plastic board. I guess you can put that on it. So then we have this. It's the instructions. So apparently you got to put it all in. We won't be making it yet. So let's take this piece of cardboard out so we can do it. And looks like we have our paint right here. Yeah, I'm sure this is the paint. Let's put this to the side and get this canvas. Oh, it's not a canvas. It has 3 canvas cardboard pieces. Right there, and now let's open the paint. We need okay, how about we just get this to open it, because I cannot open the plastic.
Alright guys, we're gonna go up back on another video. That's right, go with Starling's Master. Is that right? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and end the video now. Go subscribe to Mika.
And your hints for this video is
for the next video.
The hint for this big video and our merch is that the one for our merch is that it's going to have Go-Go Starling on it with tons of stars. And okay, I'm gonna go quick. And the one for our big video is going to be satisfying. Bye,
Alright guys,
Starlings.
see you later guys.
Bye.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over.